Grammarly has been a go-to for many when it comes to writing assistants, but does it really live up to the hype? Today we're digging into its features, usability, and whether it's worth the investment for your writing needs. Grammarly is an AI-powered writing assistant designed to help users improve their writing skills. It offers grammar and spell check, style suggestions, and even tone adjustments. The interface is user-friendly, making it accessible for everyone from students to professionals. As you type, Grammarly provides real-time feedback, which is pretty impressive for catching those sneaky typos or awkward phrasing. What stands out is its ability to adapt based on your writing style and preferences. You can set goals regarding audience, formality, and tone, which adds a personalized touch. However, while the core functionality is solid, some users may find the premium features like advanced style checks less clear in terms of their added value. Overall, Grammarly feels intuitive and effective, but whether it's essential for your writing can depend on how much you value its suggestions and the depth of your writing needs. On the plus side, Grammarly excels at identifying grammatical errors and suggesting improvements, which can really enhance the quality of your writing. The real-time feedback is also a huge plus for those who want to make quick corrections. However, there are some downsides to consider. For starters, the premium version can be quite pricey, and some users may feel that the free version is limited in features. Additionally, while the AI is generally accurate, it can sometimes misinterpret context, leading to suggestions that don't quite fit. This tool may not suit those who prefer a more hands-on approach to editing, as relying too much on AI might hinder personal writing growth. However, for busy professionals or students looking for quick fixes, Grammarly can be a game changer. In conclusion, Grammarly is a strong choice for anyone looking to polish their writing, especially if you're willing to invest in the premium features. However, if you're an experienced writer or prefer a more traditional editing method, you might want to explore alternatives. Overall, it's a solid tool, but it's not for everyone.